Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale. Your journey through the underground is deeply personal, shaped by every decision you make. Unlike many games, Undertale remembers your actions, leading to vastly different outcomes. There are three primary routes you can take: the pacifist, neutral, and genocide paths. Each offers a distinct experience, revealing different facets of the story and its memorable characters. Let's explore how to navigate these choices for a truly complete experience. For many, the correct way to play Undertale involves pursuing the true pacifist ending. This path emphasizes mercy and understanding, allowing you to befriend all the unique inhabitants of the underground. To achieve this, you must complete your initial playthrough without defeating any monsters, earning 0 experience points. Then, after a specific neutral ending, you'll be guided to revisit key areas, fostering friendships with characters like Papyrus, Undyne, and Alphys. This unlocks the most comprehensive and heartwarming conclusion to the story. While pacifist is often recommended first, the neutral and genocide routes offer different perspectives. A neutral run happens if you defeat some monsters, but not enough to trigger the genocide path. The genocide route is far more demanding, requiring you to actively seek out and defeat every single monster in every area until the encounter counter reaches 0. This path fundamentally changes the game's narrative, characters, and even the soundtrack, leaving a lasting impact on subsequent playthroughs. It's a stark contrast to the path of mercy. Ultimately, the correct way to play Undertale is to embrace the consequences of your own choices. The game is designed for replayability, inviting you to explore all three major routes to fully grasp its profound themes of empathy, determination, and consequence. Each playthrough, whether pacifist, neutral, or genocide, offers a distinct and valuable experience. There isn't one single wrong way to play, as every path reveals a unique facet of this incredible story. Enjoy discovering the underground in your own unique way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.